Lori at the National Hardware Show, and I'm at the Barrel House cooker booth, and I have Andrew. Andrew, tell me a little bit about these really neat cookers.
Well, these are barrel cookers. They're vertical barrel cookers, and this is the new and upcoming charcoal segment. What's really great about them is how small they are and how much space they don't take up on your patio. Everyone has a grill, everyone's got a gas grill. If you want to do smoking meat, all you need is 18 inches of space in your backyard. What's unique about these grills is that you're hanging meat. You're hanging ribs, you're hanging chicken, you're hanging steaks, pork loin, turkeys. You're hanging them and cooking them inside of a sealed barrel. Okay? And this is the magic. The way it works is that the charcoal and wood is down there at the bottom. Charcoal briquettes, wood chunks. You set that in there. Light it for 15 minutes, put your meat in, close the lid, and do a zoom up down here. This is an elevation setting. It controls the amount of airflow. So if I'm at sea level, I just open it so I see the first dot. All of the air is regulated from the bottom coming in. The exhaust holes up here are preset. And so once I close that lid, and have the charcoals lit for just 15 minutes, the heat inside sits around 275, 300 degrees for 5 hours. So you can walk away from this and come back in 3.5 hours. You can have perfect ribs. In 2.5 hours for chicken. Now there's no water pan. That's what differentiates this from other vertical cookers. We're dripping the meat. The meat drippings are going directly down onto the charcoal and vaporizing. And when they vaporize, it creates moisture and flavor like you've never had before. A true hearty, deep, real wood barbecue taste. Okay? It's as easy to use as a pellet smoker, but it's using charcoal and wood. So it's really phenomenal.
Now you're making me hungry.
Yes. You can literally walk away, set up the meat, go to church, come back, and your ribs are done. It cooks evenly top to bottom. There's no flipping, there's no fussing, and there's no flare-ups. It's that easy.
So it's Lori proof.
Yes, it's foolproof. Yes.
That is really neat. Andrew, to find out more information or where can a person go buy one, where can we go?
Yeah, go to barrelhousecooker.com. We have videos, we have tutorials, we have instructions. You have to take a look at our online reviews. People that have been barbecuing and smoking for decades, when they pick up this cooker, which is only $200 at Walmart, when you pick up this cooker and give it a try, people are blown away by the results. They're just amazed at how easy it is and how flavorful it is.
That is neat. Did you give me the website?
Yeah, that website again is barrelhousecooker.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Andrew.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.